We all like storybooks as kids. Words with pictures are more appealing and easy to recall. Now with generative AI, pictures can be generated from text, and text can be turned into speech spoken by an avatar. Following example shows how to transform an article into a dynamic storytelling video. First, use the contents from an article to generate some images using AI image generators like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. Pick images that fit the contents and organize them according to the narrative, then load them in VideoPlus Studio. Click New and open an image. The first image will be used as the guiding frame for all images to fit in, resize if needed. A subtitle is associated with each image. The text will be spoken by a presenter, and the image will show for the duration of the speech. Click Presenter to define one or more presenters to use. Select the right gender and language. Listen to the audio samples of predefined voices to decide which one to choose. To clone voice, select a voice good for cloning. Use the Clone Voices option, then choose your audio file. The voice can also be fine-tuned by adjusting audio properties, pitch, speed, and volume. Define avatar for the presenter. First the image, select a predefined one or use your own. Then select the shape, location, and height. For example, use Shape Circle to center crop and surround the avatar in a circle, location 4 to occupy the top right corner, height 20 to occupy 20% of the video height. Last, decide if you want to use slightly moving head. That may look more natural for longer speeches, and whether or not to hide the avatar when not speaking. Now add more images and fill in the subtitles with text corresponding to every image. Also select the presenter. Images can be changed, added or removed, and moved up and down. Click the undo button if a change is undesired. Go over the whole storybook and make sure the contents showing in both the left and right panels are all right. Then export the subtitles to a local JSON file for easy to make adjustments later if needed. Click Task, then Submit Current Task. Check Burn Subtitles if needed. Submit and wait till the task is done, notified by email, or check its status in the task history. Check back if not ready. Find the task and download the resulting video. Adjust settings and resubmit if the result is not satisfactory. Otherwise, enjoy your storytelling video and share it with the world.